Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to Ren Vibes. I'm back with another video. In today's video, you guys are gonna cook with me. So yes, y'all, let's get into it. Let's cook this vegan French toast. Yes, I said vegan French toast, and it's gonna be smacking, you heard me? So, I have all of my ingredients down in here. I get my recipe from somebody else on YouTube. I'll also do my own little thing as I'm going along, as you should. Make it your own. So I'll leave his channel name and link in the description below. All right, so let's get into it. All right, I'm sorry. I'm hungry, y'all. Like, I'm really, really hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day. It's 11 o'clock. So I have here some strawberries. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. Kind of can't see. Almost done with this. You guys, I am a slow cooker. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna chop my hand off for nobody. So I go very freaking slow. Because in the past, y'all, when you move too fast, anything can happen. And that ain't just with food, you hear me? All right, so now that I have my strawberries, I'm going to politely toss them in this bowl like so. All right, what else is there, guys? We have to do next. Oh, this is my powdered sugar, which is for the after. I also have my Just Eggs, which I will be using here soon. This is what you use to, well, it's a substitute for eggs, and I always have, okay, all right. A little spillage going on. I always have a hard time opening this. Like, you think it will be easier for me, but it's not. So y'all just gonna watch me struggle. How about that? Shake it up before you use it, because if you don't shake it up, I don't know, it might have clumps or something. But what's next? I have my Earth Balance vegan soy-free butter, which you will need a tablespoon of that. Let me go ahead and get that together, because you're gonna need this tablespoon to put in, okay, it's almost gone, y'all, but tablespoon of butter. Then let me get a bowl, another bowl, because now we will do our wonderful mixture. It's actually really, really easy to make. I'm not even gonna lie. It's honestly the same as making regular French toast without it being vegan. Next, I'm gonna pour. Oh, honestly, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so bad at this. Let me put my butter in my pan. Now we have to put the milk in there and the Just Egg. Y'all bear with me. This is my first cook with me video, so obviously it ain't gonna be too swell. But it's all right, because my next one I'm gonna know what to do, and it's gonna come out even better. You feel me? Because that's just what we do. We makes it work. We try, because it's better to try than to not try at all. So that's what we doing. Y'all gonna watch me fail and succeed. Watch me fail and watch me succeed. Amen. Amen. So we're gonna turn our fire down over here, because that's getting pretty ready. And I ain't even got everything done over here. So now we're gonna take our brioche bread. I think I said that wrong. Brioche bread. How however you say it, brioche. I'm gonna call it brioche bread. So we got our sliced brioche bread. As you can see, I've already used it a few times. Okay, our butter is getting ready over here. Hold on, sis. Let's turn you down. So now, got my bread done. I'll worry about putting that up later. Got your cinnamon and sugar, vanilla extract. I use cinnamon and I also use cinnamon and sugar because that's just me. I use a little bit of brown sugar because I don't like to use too much sugar. I hate when cabinets are just open like that. That's like so weird to me. So now I'm gonna do the 3 tablespoons of Just Egg. Well, I'll do like 4 because I'm making 3. And then I'm gonna wash this out. Get the milk because it is now milk time. Put this back in the refrigerator. Y'all try Just Egg. It is really good. If you're vegan, it tastes, well, even if you're not vegan, it's just a healthy alternative to eggs. So yeah, then I'm gonna do a tablespoon, well, okay. Bruh. Obviously I can't talk in this video, so I'm gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're gonna do 3 tablespoons of milk. Honestly, that's probably like 4 because you know that little bit dropped in there. And that is that. And then now you do your sugar. Like I said, I don't like to do a lot of sugar, but I don't want it to taste unsweet either. So I'm just gonna do like a spoon of sugar. And then I go ham on the cinnamon. So we're gonna put all that in there. And then cinnamon and sugar. I just kind of do a little bit because I already did sugar, brown sugar, and I already did cinnamon, so I don't need to put too much cinnamon and sugar. But we do want it to be sweet. So then we get to stirring this around like so. And then from there, you just toss that bread on in there, get it all soaky, you know what I'm saying? Then you flip that there. You flip that bread. Get it some more, get it some more, get some more, get some more. And then now, it's time to put it in the pan. Get your butter moving. That's gonna be a good one, y'all, because it was in there for a little minute. Yep. This is what it's looking like as it's cooking. Now, if you're like me, you would do a little flipsy just to get the butter moving in there. And I'm gonna get my spatula. As you can see, I'm just gonna move it around a little bit so that each side, well, each piece has butter, you feel me? So yeah, you just leave that for a little bit. I'm gonna turn the heat up to about 5 because it was on 3. I always like to start off with a low heat, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna let this sit for a little bit. Then we're gonna come back when it's time to flip. We ain't gonna try, sis. We gonna do the flip. Looking good. Flip it how you flip it, you know? Flip it, dip it. Rub it down. That's it. Y'all. It's gonna be good. I can't wait. This is actually coming out better than the other 2 times I did it. So, look at that. Okay. We're doing good over here. I'm not gonna lie though, when it does, when I do flip it, I do like to add a little more butter, you know, because Why not? You're in there cooking, you need the butter. Just like the other side has the butter, you shall have some butter too. So while that's doing that, I just, move it around just to make sure, it got the butter. And then I just let it sit like I did the other ones. This is done, so. It is literally almost done, y'all, and it's about to go down. About to go down over here. So, wanted to show y'all this, right? Because this is really good. Well, honestly, I'm sorry. I kind of lied. It's all right. I kind of like prefer a different brand, but if you get what you get, and this is all I've seen at the store. So yeah, it's just strawberry topping to go with my real strawberries, and then the powdered sugar. So this is all you need for the end, and a plate. Yes, guys, it's finally done. So this is what the outcome looks like. Yes, guys, this is it. My beautiful food. Doesn't it look delicious? Like you just want to take a bite. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do whatever you gotta do, but make sure you do it. You feel me? You feel me? Also, don't forget to look at my next video, because there will be a next video after this one. Bye. I can just kiss it. It just looks so good.